how to change an outfit in a video in Higgsfield AI. So once you're into your Higgsfield AI, make sure you're signed in. From there, you'll have to hover towards video and then simply select on create video option. So once you're into create video, you can see you will have to select a picture or a video. So you can simply go to audio, upload media. You can go to video generations to find the stock videos. You'll simply select a video, and then once you've simply select the video, you can see you provide the prompt according to your wish. So provide, change the dress of the girl. And once you simply select that, you'll simply select any elements if you want, and you can also keep the audio on or off according to your wish. So you will simply select a model and you will simply select duration, and you can simply select auto or manual, and also you can simply select the your quality options. So once you've done that, simply press on generate, and if you've got a pro plan, you will be able to generate a video where your AI video where the person wearing wearing a uniform will get changed into a dress. So you'll simply provide the prompt in this way for your video. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.